Good afternoon, everyone. First, so morning we discussed about triangle, rectangle, circle, all these things. Now we are going to do few textbook questions. Okay, so before we start, once again we can revise the points: line, segment, ray. So all of you, please listen. After that only you have to. You no need to write anything now. Just okay. Dear children, when I draw a line, how many arrows I want to put?
Two.
Two arrows for a line.
Arrows.
Yes, two arrows for a line. If you want to draw a line segment, how many arrows should be there?
No light.
No arrows. Just
No
like
arrows.
this. No arrows.
No
It has 2 points, one starting point
arrows.
and an end point.
And the point.
For a ray, how many arrows are there? One arrow. It has a starting point, but no end point.
Point.
Okay, so it is clear to you all.
Yes.
Now open your book, textbook, page number 5. Textbook, page number 5. Sorry? Page number 5. I'll take it. I'll show you the page. Wait. This page. Page number 5, you can see this question. Identify the ray, line and segment from the following. Segment means line segment. Have you all got this page?
Yes.
Now, what do you want to do is, don't say answer now. Page number 5. I'll write here. Page, textbook, page number 5. Okay. And now what do you want to do is, see, you can see 3 figures, A, B, C. You have to name it or identify which figure it is, whether it is a ray or line segment. You have to write near to that. See, here you can write whether this given figure is a line or line segment or ray. Here you can write this figure is line or ray or line segment. Here you can say right answer for C. So right answer for these 3 questions, whether the given figure is a line or ray or line segment. All of you try to write. If it is wrong also no problem, but everybody should attend it. Try. First question, A, first figure, whether it is a ray or line segment. Right answer. Ayyapadas, please unmute. First figure, A. It is a line or ray or line segment. Yes, unmute here. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say?
Line.
Sorry?
Line.
Correct. Very good. It's a line. There are 2 arrows. So it is a line. Very good. Now B. Angela, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
B. That figure is a line or sorry? Ray. Very good. It's a ray. One arrow. Only one arrow. So ray.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now Ananda Padmanabhan, please unmute. No. Figure C. Line or line segment or ray.
Line segment.
Sorry? Did you repeat the answer?
Line segment.
Correct. Very good. Line segment. Line segment. Have you all completed this much?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have joined now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they are not completed.
Completed first.
Okay.
Very easy.
Iron is completed.
Okay. And those who have completed, take page number 7.
Notebook.
No need to write in the notebook. You can write in the textbook itself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, page number?
Page number 5. Textbook page number 5. Others take page number 7. Textbook page number 7. Yes.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, I didn't complete that.
do it
Ma'am,
fast.
I didn't complete
Why
that.
join late?
Ma'am, ma'am, I completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't complete that.
Okay. Please wait. Now,
Ma'am, Subhadra completed.
okay, dear. So do one thing. How many of you haven't completed this one? Raise your hand. Not completed. I am asking not completed. Badra not completed? Okay. So if anybody is there to complete, I will show you this same page last. Okay. At the end of the session. Okay. Now, let us do the next question. Take the next page. Okay. I can see. Many have done. Sorry? I'll show you the same page at the end of the session. Okay, Antonio? Okay.
Yes.
You can do it alone and check your answer. Now, next one, page number 7. You can see like this one table. Page number.
Can you show
Sorry?
page number?
Page number 7. This one is page number 7. Sorry? Please take page number 7. If page number 5 anybody is there to complete, I will show you the same page at the end of the session. Now please take page number 7. I know if you have joined late. For them I will show it again. Now take page number 7. Karthik, sit straight. Sit straight, Karthik. Okay. Now everybody please listen. What do you want to do is, please listen everyone. You can see few pictures over here. First one is
Chocolate.
chocolate. Next one is
Chocolate. Pizza.
Pizza. Yes. Next one is
Sandwich.
sandwich. And the next one is cake.
Burger.
And what is the shape of this chocolate? When you draw rectangle, what type of lines you will use? Straight lines or curved lines? Is it straight lines or curved lines? Straight line. Yes. When you draw rectangle, you will use straight lines. That's why here straight line, that column tick is there. Okay, in that column tick is there. So like that, you have to identify which shape is formed by the picture, and you have to check what type of line we will use to draw that figure. Here for chocolate, the shape is rectangle. To draw rectangle, we will use straight line, or in rectangle, straight lines are there. So we here the column of straight line tick is there. Like that, next three picture try to do. Pizza, sandwich, and
Sandwich.
yes, don't say answer. Don't say answer. Try to do yourself. For pizza, what is the shape? That shape we will use, we'll draw by using straight lines or curved lines. Antonio, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the shape of this pizza?
Circle.
Circle. So which type of line we will use? Straight line or curved line to draw a circle?
Curved line.
Curved line. Very good. So you can tick curved line. Now, Joanna Rose, please unmute. Unmute here. Okay. What is the next figure?
Triangle.
Yes. That shape of sandwich is triangle. So what type of lines we will use? Straight line or curved line?
Straight line.
Straight lines. Very good. So you can tick that column, straight lines. Straight lines. So first, now Isa Maria, please unmute. Isa Maria, please unmute, dear. Her video got struck. Maybe some network issues are there. Now, Nesia, please unmute. Nesia. Yes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next figure, cake. What is the shape of a cake?
Curved line.
What is the shape of the cake?
Shape.
Shape.
Circle.
Circle. And what type of lines we will use?
Curved line.
Curved lines. So you can tick here curved lines. Very good.
Thank you.
Hope you all have completed. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody left to complete?
No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So take page number 11.
Full completed.
Sorry?
Full completed.
Completed. Completed or not completed?
I is completed 11.
Okay.
Completed.
No, page number 11 only. Second question we have done here. So Wait. I'll show you that. Okay. So take page number 11. In that, you can see few questions, two questions. That second question we have already done. Question number 2 we have already done, but question number 1 we haven't done. That we can do now. Before doing that, we know what is line segment, ray. For line, how many arrows are there? For line, how many arrows? 2 arrows. For ray, how many arrows?
1.
1. Line segment, any arrows are there?
No.
No arrows. After that, we studied 3 types of straight lines. What are the 3 types of straight lines?
Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line.
Yes, very good. Horizontal lines, vertical lines, and slant lines. Then, horizontal lines are what type of line? Sleeping lines.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping lines are called horizontal lines.
Horizontal line.
Sleeping lines are called
Horizontal line. Standing line.
Then standing lines are called
Vertical
vertical lines. Standing lines are called
Vertical line.
standing lines are called vertical lines. And sloping lines are called sloping lines, slant lines. Sloping lines are called once more. This one is, this type of line is this one. What type of line it is? Vertical. Vertical lines. Standing lines are called vertical lines. Sleeping lines, horizontal lines. Sleeping lines, horizontal lines. Sloping lines, sloping lines, slant. Sloping lines, slant. Okay. So once more. Sleeping lines are called vertical lines. Sorry, sleeping lines are called horizontal lines. Standing lines are called vertical lines. Sloping lines are called slant lines. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So let us do few questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Take page number 11. In that question number 1, draw the following. What you want to do is, here it is given, question number A, line. Down to that, you can draw a line. Okay. After that, B, line segment. You have to draw a line segment down to that. You can use this space. This space you can use to draw the figure. And question C is ray. You can draw a ray over here. And question D is horizontal lines. You can draw horizontal lines over here. And question E is vertical lines. So you can draw vertical lines down to that. That is the thing you want to do. So first, all of you draw a line. All of you draw a line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Let others do.
Ma'am, Shri Pardi, finish.
Okay, Shri Parvati. Okay. Shri Parvati, for a line, how many rays we have to draw? Have to put how many arrows? For a line?
2.
2 arrows. Very good. So you can draw a line like this and put 2 arrows. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Ayan, please unmute. Ah,
Ayan.
yes. Question B.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
draw a line segment, how many arrows we have to put for a line
No
segment?
arrow. No
Line,
arrow.
no arrows. Very good.
No
Just draw
arrow.
like this. No arrows. Very good.
Ma'am, it's Maria.
So Maria got chance. No, no, your audio was not okay.
Ma'am,
That time. Yes, Isa.
Karthik.
Yes, Isa. Wait. I'll give you a chance. Please wait.
Ma'am, Karthik.
Ah, yes, wait. Karthik, morning got chance. Have you got chance in the morning to say answer?
No.
No, I'll ask you. Please wait. So, Isa, Isa Maria, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, your voice is breaking. Isa, your voice is
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Question C. Ray. To draw a ray, how many arrows we have to put for a ray? Sorry?
One arrow.
Oh, one arrow. Good. Only one arrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Now, Karthik. Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
D, horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are
Sleeping life.
very good. Sleeping lines like this.
Sleeping
Yes, good. Can draw like this. Shri Parvati got chance no now? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. First
Okay.
one.
Okay. Now who is there to get chance? Juana got chance. Irene haven't got chance today.
Yes,
Irene?
ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, never.
you haven't got. Okay.
Ma'am, never.
Neva also. Wait. I'll give you chance. Please wait. Irene, next question you can say answer. Vertical lines.
Standing line.
Vertical lines I am asking. Standing lines. Okay. I heard slant lines. That's why I asked. Standing lines. Very good.
Thank you,
Standing lines. It will be good if you draw using scale and pencil. Standing lines. Okay. Standing lines are
completed.
sorry.
Acknowledge completed.
Good. Very good.
Ma'am, arrows completed.
Okay. Is there anybody left to complete?
He completed.
Is there anybody left to complete?
Ma'am, arrows completed.
Okay. Good.
Completed.
So,
Ma'am, Ryan completed.
let us do next question.
Completed.
Okay. Is there anybody left to complete?
No,
Hiba
ma'am.
completed?
No, ma'am.
I think she's traveling somewhere.
Completed.
Okay, good. So all of you take page number 12. Please turn the page. Take page number 12. Question number 3. Page number 12. Question number 3. This one.
Oh, yes.
Page number 12. Question number 3. Here what you want to do is you have to name sides of the given figures. You can see first one is square PQRS. So name the 4 sides of square PQRS. Next, triangle XYZ. You have to name the sides of 3 sides of triangle XYZ. Again, rectangle EFGH. Again, you have to name 4 sides of rectangle EFGH. So all of you start from the first question. All of you name sides of square PQRS. Here the first letter is P. So start from P. Everyone start writing. Sides. Buena, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you name the side?
Square.
Side I am asking, dear. This one, this side.
S.
This
S
side,
side.
this side. Just this blue colored. What is the, how will you name? When you name a side, you have to use
PQ.
2 letters. Yes, yes. Answer is correct. 2 letters. So what is the name of
PQ.
this side? PQ. Okay.
PQ.
Will you name this side also?
Bhuwana.
Somebody is talking over there.
R.
Let Bhuwana say. Others, please keep quiet. So QR. Okay, okay, okay. QR. But 4 sides are there. I'll ask one by one. Hiba, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you name this side?
R. S.
RS. Okay, RS. Good. Evelyn. Please unmute Evelyn. Have you got chance today, dear?
No.
Okay. Will you name this side?
Yes.
Hmm.
SP.
Very good. SP. So these are the 4 sides. PQ, QR, RS, and SP. The same way, all of you write, name the sides of the given triangle XYZ. Now, Daksha Ridish, please unmute. Daksha Ridish, please unmute. Dear, will you name this side of this given triangle? This side?
XY.
Yes, enough, enough.
Y.
Good, good, good. XY. Okay,
Y. Z.
enough.
I. Z.
You can mute your audio, dear. Let others do the name the other side. Yes, Rairat. Please unmute. Name this side.
YZ.
YZ. Good. YZ. Neva, please unmute and name the next side.
ZX.
ZX. Very good. Okay. All of you name the next side, 4 sides of next rectangle. Question C. Now, Ivan, Tom, please unmute. Ivan, Tom, please unmute. Unmute, dear. Unmute once again. Unmute once again, dear. Ivan, Tom, please unmute. Ivan, Tom, please unmute. Am I audible to you, dear? What happened? Wait. Wait, Ivan. Now unmute. Ivan? Ivan, Tom, can you hear me? Yes or no? Now, is there anybody sitting without getting chance? At least one chance?
Ma'am Joanna Rose.
Joanna Rose, just now I asked. No, morning I asked, right?
Ma'am Anna Rose.
Morning I asked, no, Anna Rose. I am asking today. Morning and the spirit. I think Aldrin is there. Yes? Aldrin? Aldrin, please unmute.
Agnes.
Sorry? Aldrin, will you name
Yes,
this
ma'am.
side? This side? This side? What is the name of this side? Huh? What are the two letters you have to use?
F
Sorry?
E F.
E, F. Good. E, F. Now, who else? Agnes, please unmute. Agnes, are you there, dear? Agnes, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
This side will you name?
Ma'am. Yes.
This
Yes,
side.
ma'am. Ma'am, I have school completed.
Dear, I am asking after EF, will you name this side?
Completed.
So, please don't.
Okay.
She's asking.
Agnes, can you hear me?
E
EF, after that, this side. F,
Wait.
E F
F, G.
E
This one is F, G. Okay. Now,
G H
it's good to say
G,
F, G, dear.
H.
Okay.
G H
F, G. After that, this side. This side.
Okay. G
G,
G H
H. Good.
G H.
Okay, dear. Now, let Aaron say answer. Aaron. Aaron, please unmute.
H.
Aaron, please unmute. What about this side?
H E.
Will you name this side? H, E. So, H, E. These are the four sides. Now, time is up, my dear children. I'm going to wind up the class. You can check your answer. Again, I send this answer in the WhatsApp. So, you can check your answer. Try to write yourself. After that, you check your answer. Okay? So, I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you. Bye. See you next day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.